We have a quorum, so we can resume our meeting. So our legal advisor asked a question just now. Dr. Chow, would you like to respond? I've just been given the information by my colleague. Now, for routine inspections, we would inform the license holder in advance. But if we receive information on a suspected case of animal abuse, then we can, in accordance with Cap 169, carry out surprise checks and inspection. And if the licensee refuses to open the door for us on numerous occasions, we can consider revoking the license. The explanation that you gave just now is that if the licensee refuses entry, for regular checks, if the licensee is uncooperative and unwilling to open the door for us, then because it is in the licensing condition that we can inspect the premises, we can therefore consider suspending or revoking the license. Legal advisor? Perhaps the administration can give us a written reply to elaborate on this. Thank you. Any other questions from members? If not, then we will make a report to the House Committee in relation to this commencement notice. And the administration is also going to give a written reply on surprise checks on private premises to the legal advisor's question. If there's nothing else, I will adjourn the meeting. Thank you.